Hey guys, good morning. So we're finally back here in Siargao, and this is actually our fourth time here in the province, and we are staying here in Kermit. This is actually our second time staying here in this resort, and we are seeing a lot of improvement here. Sobrang laki na ng ginanda niya compared sa last time na nagpunta kami during kasagsagan ng pandemic. I think that was 2020. And ngayon meron na silang breakfast included sa check-in, and meron na silang pool. Look at this. Sobrang ganda na ng place. I'll tour you around, and I'll probably make a quick room tour para makita ninyo kung ano itsura ng rooms nila dito. And in case that you guys will be interested to visit the province and gusto nyo magstay dito sa Siargao, you can do it kasi affordable din naman sila. Quick story time. Earlier this morning, medyo nagpanic ako dahil ang flight namin was 4:30 AM and nagising ako ng 3:15 AM. Nag-alarm ako ng 2 AM actually kagabi, pero for some reason napatay ko ata siya and hindi ako nagising. Buti na lang si Vin is tumawag sa akin and kay mama, and si mama yung nagising and gumising sa akin. Kasi kung hindi ako nagising and na-late ako sa flight, sobrang magagalit si Vin sa akin. Kasi this trip is actually for him, dahil we're going to celebrate his birthday here together with his friends, na kaibigan ko na rin ngayon. I hope na samahan nyo kami with this vlog and with this trip, and para makita ninyo kung ano yung mga pwede pang gawin dito sa Siargao in case that you will visit the island second time, third time, or fourth time, because we know that this place or this province has a lot of things to offer. So samahan nyo kami. Room tour. So the toilet has a bidet, shower, some hot and cold shower. Here's the sink, small table, here's the bed, and views outside. This is the pool. It's 4:30 here, and we're waiting for our friends to arrive. And we ordered pizza for merienda. Tapos ang agenda namin for today is magmamotor kami around the place. We'll probably go to Katangnan Bridge. Tapos hanap kami ng place to grab some dinner. You're always on my mind. That's how much I care. Uy, that's yung nagiling. Ay, baka alam mo yun? Sa TikTok. Hi guys, good morning. So day 2 here in Siargao. We will just still have a slow day here. So kakagising lang namin. Ngayon, bababa na kami ni Vin to grab some breakfast. Kahapon, nag-dinner kami sa Payag and their food is really great. Pero hindi ko na siya na videohan or na vlog. Pero I'll probably flash some photos na lang mamaya or somewhere in this video para makita niyo kung ano yung in-order namin. Pero masarap yung food nila doon and affordable din siya. So ngayon, baba na kami, kuha kami ng breakfast and we'll just chill siguro hanggang afternoon. Good morning! So bababa na kami, kuha kami ng breakfast. Nagising lang ng lahat. And this is our current view.
Agad. Agad mo na pala pa tayo. Ito pala yung... Kasha ba sa natin? Shit, ang dami. Ang sarap sa mukha.
So, tumabi kay Sarah parang sumaba.
Parang masasarap.
Dito kasi sa amin malalim eh.
Day 3 here in Siargao and it's Vince's birthday. We're going on an island trip with our friends. The initial plan was pupunta kami ng Mamon Island pero maalon daw today, so we've only decided to go to the 3 classic islands, which are Naked, Daku, and Guyam Island. So mamaya mamamalengke kami para bumili ng mga kakainin namin for lunch, kasi sa isla namin isa-celebrate yung birthday ni Vin, and by hapon we'll go to a place kung saan kami pwedeng mag-dinner, baka sa Harana. So today is just going to be a celebration of Vin's birthday.
Yan, may limang.
Apa. Pila yung kabok na?
Magandang buhay, kapamilya. Ngayon ay nasa...
Lumipad ang aming team.
Ayun nga. Ipad. No ano? Hindi, ayoko na yan. Diba? Yung shell.
Hello?
Cheese yan, guys.
Japanese menu. Good morning! Day 4 here in Siargao. Yesterday was a blast. We were able to celebrate Vin's birthday. Nakapag-lunch kami sa Daco Island. And nag-dinner naman kami sa Harana. I think Vin also enjoyed his birthday. Hopefully he felt special yesterday because that's the main plan. Or ngayong umaga, kunin lang namin yung breakfast namin dito sa restaurant. Tapos after that, we'll probably chill by the pool. And in the afternoon, we're planning to eat some lechon. So pupunta kami sa Kanin Baboy. Tapos after that, baka balik kami dito sa Kermit to have an afternoon nap. And bandang hapon, magsa-sunset kami sa Secret Beach. So Secret Beach is like 15 minutes away from Kermit via motorcycle ride. And if you'd like to come and visit that place, ang pin lang sa Waze is Secret Beach na din. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our day 4 here kasi tomorrow our friends will depart in the morning and kami naman ni Ben is in the afternoon. So lapit na kami umuwi ng Manila, so si Panks na naman. day 5 here in Siargao, and today is our departure day. Actually, kakahatid lang namin kila Shen sa baba dahil andyan na yung sundo nila papuntang airport. And kami naman ni Vin, shortly kuha na kami ng breakfast. Tapos wala na kaming plan na puntahan today. Punta lang kami siguro dito sa pool para makapag-chill, and antayin na lang namin na makapag-check out kami ng lunchtime. So, ang departure namin is mga 4 PM pa. Baka dito na lang din kami tumambay sa chill out space ng Kermit. We'll probably grab some lunch and merienda din.